Ziran India World of Natural Extracts welcome you. Product information of Glycine Max. Common name soybean, botanical name Glycine Max. Specification: protein and lecithin family legumes, part used seeds. Benefits of Glycine Max: help relieve sleep disorders, may help manage diabetes, help improve blood circulation, essential for pregnancy, for healthy bones, aids healthy digestion, menopausal symptoms, improve heart health, possesses anti-cancer properties, healthy weight management. Thank you. Contact us website www.ziranindia.in, email rajiv@ziranindia.in, sales@ziranindia.in. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube @Ziran India.